What's going on, sneaker family, man? What's going on, sneaker squad? You got your boy Quanadon coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man. And today we're gonna talk about the aftermath of those Jordan 1 University Blues, man. We're gonna talk about the aftermath and the hype, man. Are they really worth the hype? Come on, are they really worth the hype? But anyway, man, before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to stay up to date with all my latest videos. If you have already, I highly do appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe. You did? But anyway, without further ado, man, let's get into the reason why y'all here, man. Y'all want to know, are these worth the hype? Like, are these worth the hype? Like, people going crazy over them, fighting over them, you know, whatnot, things like that, man. Are they really worth the hype? Yeah, they worth the hype. They definitely worth the hype. They definitely worth the hype. They're clean. They just a great looking shoe, man. And you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all my rating from a 1 to 10 in a moment, man. But we're gonna talk a little bit more about the shoe. So this not gonna be a full-on review. It's enough reviews all over YouTube, man. They've been putting out reviews since December, so I'm not gonna get into a review. I'm just gonna be doing aftermaths, man. So basically I'm gonna be speaking of the shoe, and I'm gonna let y'all know, do I think they're worth the hype, in my personal opinion, and what I think about the resale value and if they will go up or not. So first thing first, man, definitely a dope shoe, clean. You know, the colorway's there, the hype's there. The colorway, the hype. Let's see, the pricing. I mean, it's not bad, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a Jordan 1 for 170, man, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, the tumble leather is so soft, man. It is so soft, man. It is so soft. And I can say I can compare these probably to those shattered backboards, man, as far as leather, man, that tumble leather material. It's even got the tumble leather material that looks really good or feels really good as well on that Nike check, man. So that Nike check logo, man, it's definitely a dope shoe, man. So materials are there, the hype is there, the colorway, color blocking is there. I do love that Chicago color blocking. Definitely a dope shoe. I will say the nubuck, man, the nubuck feels so soft. And I will say I do like these Jordan 1s better than the other released UNCs that released early 2000s. I do like them because of this nubuck material, man. It is so soft, man. So that shoe was full on leather. This one is your tumbled leather with nubuck. And it feels so good, man. I can't, like, I feel like I'm molesting the shoe. Like, I gotta stop doing that. That's how good it feels, man. Like, it's definitely there, man. It's definitely worth the money. I give this on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna have to give this a 9 out of 10. So I give this a 9 out of 10, man. You know what I'm saying? I do love this shoe. That bottom, that powder blue bottom, man. This thing is closer to a UNC colorway than the other UNCs, you know what I'm saying? This is a true UNC colorways, man. True Tar Heels colorway. I love that, man. It looks really good. And it definitely pops it off with that logo, man. That Wings logo in black. I love it, man. Like, I love the color blocking. It did not come with the standard laces, any white laces, man. It came with those black laces, standard black laces, and then it came with the blue laces, which is a clean lace. However, it's too much blue, so I won't be using these laces on this shoe. As far as that black, I probably won't use those either. I would be using the white laces, and I found an extra pair of white laces and I actually used the white laces, man. So that's one of the reasons why I did rate this a 9 out of 10. There's also another reason, man. If you ask me, I would say the QC wasn't too great on this, man. That quality control, that quality check, it wasn't too great on these, man. I have a bunch of glue overage, man, right here on my nubuck material, and that's the part that sucks for me, because it's not like a leather, you know what I'm saying? This part is not like a regular leather, it's nubuck, you feel me? So glue getting on there, man, it's not good. It's not good when glue gets onto that nubuck material, because there's no way you're getting that out. You know what I'm saying? There's no way you're getting it out. I even have it on the upper part of here, on my nubuck, around that ankle collar here. And then I have it on the back heel part here. So right in the back area right here, I got some glue over it, man. So I don't like that part, man. So that's why I gave it a 9 out of 10. You know, these were what? They had 100 and something K pairs, 130K, 140K, whatever they had. However, man, I do feel like they could have did a better job with being more careful as far as that glue. Definitely could have did a better job with that, man. The mochas, I would say, was probably another hype shoe, and a lot of people not compare them to the mochas, but as far as the hype, they're saying these would be a lot more hype than the mochas, which they were. You know what I'm saying? They were a lot more harder to get than the mochas, and the material is definitely better than the mochas. However, I would say the mochas quality control, for me, the quality check is definitely better, man. Like, it's flawless. Like, I have a pair of mochas that's flawless. Like, I can't complain about my mochas. Like, you know, it has no glue. Like, there's no extra glue. Like, you can't see anything. Like, I've looked over that shoe 1,000 times and they look flawless. You know what I'm saying? So I do love those sneakers, man. I do wish these on that quality was better, man, as far as that glue, and I would have gave it a 10 out of 10, man. So a lot of people were definitely going crazy for this shoe. It was a hyped shoe. A lot of people was going crazy for the shoe. A lot of people taking L's. A lot of stores didn't get their shipment in. As I stated in one of my previous videos, I knew that would have happened. A lot of places were getting backdoored, man. I wasn't going to be happy until I had my shoe in hand, even though I won them on the raffle. That's just how I felt, man. And to me, I would give this the best Jordan release so far this year. In my humble opinion, I have to give this the best Jordan release so far this year, man. Definitely, you know what I'm saying? And it's because of the color, man. It's a beautiful sneaker, man, and it feels so much better in hand. Even though although it looks good in the videos, man, it feels so much better in hand, man. So that's just you know, that color blocking and then that material just go hand in hand, and it's a crazy sneaker, man. And it's definitely gonna go up in price. So if you don't have this sneaker, man, you want to grab this sneaker. You want to grab this sneaker before it go up in price. Yes, the price will fluctuate, but you get this the next, what, 4 to 5 years, man. I would say this probably be close to $1,000 shoe. I'm just saying, this will probably be close to $1,000 shoe. Like, I'm so serious. That's just how I feel. This would be close to $1,000 shoe, man. Definitely a dope sneaker, man. Definitely a dope sneaker, man. I gotta get this a 9 out of 10. But it's dope, man. So I hope everybody was able to get at least some W's, man. If you have not got those W's, keep trying, man. They're gonna be restocking. I feel like a few of them gonna be restocking, because a lot of places have not got their pairs in. So not necessarily a restock, but a lot of places have not got their pairs in. It'd be more like how the Carmines were. When later down the line, when there's gonna be stores that's gonna be releasing them, a lot of people not gonna know, and you know, easy W's. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, quick game, man. As I say and as I always say, man, it's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love, quick game, man. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul, quick game, man. And we out, man. Until the next one. Peace.